Hi, my name is Klaus. I am an astrophysics major here at UC Santa Cruz, and I was originally born and raised in San Francisco, California.
My name's Andy Skimmer. I'm a professor of astronomy and astrophysics at UC Santa Cruz. I study exoplanets, which are planets that orbit other stars besides our sun, and I teach classes on planetary science and observational astronomy. Students who major in physics or astrophysics here, they learn in their classrooms, they learn some of the theoretical skills with the equations and all of that, but they also get the laboratory experience. And if you major in astronomy, you can get some observational astronomy experience operating huge telescopes at Lick Observatory. Those are transferable skills all throughout Silicon Valley.
There's a lot of different research opportunities in the physics and astrophysics department at UC Santa Cruz. There's a really broad variety of work here. I mostly do coding research. I have friends that do theory research, so they spend all day at the chalkboard writing up equations and making simulations. I also have friends that do observational astronomy. They're actually going up to professional telescopes and staying up all night collecting data and analyzing it to study things like supernovae, which are exploding stars. My first internship at Lawrence Livermore National Laboratories, I worked on an adaptive optics system. I was very much in the lab, aligning things with lasers, getting to play around with mirrors and lenses. We have this observatory called Lick Observatory. It's owned and managed by the University of California system, and specifically UC Santa Cruz. Lick Observatory is a really awesome research for astrophysics undergrads here at UC Santa Cruz. It's not just internships that get you to go up there, there's also field trips and classes and research that you can do yourself here that will get you up at Lick Observatory. It is kind of a really rare experience to have giant professional telescopes that you can just casually visit as a student or casually work with.
Within astronomy, a lot of our majors choose to do research working with an individual professor.
Professors will constantly be plugging real-world research events that are happening as lecture examples, or talking about research opportunities in their groups in the field of study of the class, or talking about department-wide and city-wide physics events. Financially, there's awards and scholarships that you can get for wanting to do research, like scholarship for getting to do a research project or an award after you've done it. It's really important to acknowledge that we're an R1 institution, which means we're a top-tier research institution for undergraduates.
I'm interested in all kinds of different science, but astronomy is particularly fun because we really know so little. It's fun to be there from the ground up, getting to be part of the search for life in the universe.